Hello friends, welcome to Lakshya Stenographer. Today we provide you the editorial dictation, the Hindi newspaper. It's coming away in 5 seconds. Start. Every day we hear about the novel coronavirus, how it is easily infecting and transmitting itself from people to people, and how scientists and medical experts are waging a war against its spread. We also hear how different this is from bacteria and why treating people with antibacterial drugs may not help wipe this out. What then is the difference between a virus and a bacterium? Well, bacteria are alive. Each bacterial cell has its own machinery to reproduce itself. Take a bacterial cell and put it in a solution containing nutrients. It grows itself and multiplies in millions. The genes in the cell's genome made up of DNA molecules, the information contained it which is transcribed as a message to the messenger molecules, and RNA, and the message therein is translated into action molecules called proteins, which are the food soldiers that help the growth and multiplication of the bacterium. Coronavirus do not have DNA as their genome but RNA. In the words, they can not only translate and not transcribed, those they are dead, unable to renew and grow themselves. They need help. This they achieve by infecting host cells, which they bind to and multiply by the millions. With no host cell to help, a virus is simply a dead storage box. The protein strategy: upon infection, the entire RNA with its 33,000 bases is translated in one shot as a long tape of amino acid sequences. Since this long chain contains several proteins within it, it is called a polyprotein sequence. One needs to analyze this long chain, find the relative protein, isolate and study what each of them does. It helping infection. Scientists call the polyprotein a single reading frame containing several open reading frames, namely those that contain a start code and end with a stop code, each containing the relevant protein to be expressed by the host cell. This strategy allows the virus genome to be compact and express the protein when the need arises. This is some that like a thrifty individual who keeps this money in the fixed deposit in a bank and withdraw chosen amount as the demand arises. For the virus, the demand is to multiply. Upon is affecting the host, no demand, no withdrawal, no infection, no multiplication.